How to delete all posts on Facebook page. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Facebook application. Then log in to your Facebook page. Now, in order to remove or delete all the posts from Facebook page, you cannot do it directly, but you will have to do it manually one by one. Go to the profile icon. Now scroll down and then simply go to manage post. Now you will be able to delete the post if you have made any. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.